What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be taking a look at another great LEGO set. Last time I did a review, the audio kind of sucked and the video flopped. Either way, I'm back with a new video on the brand new Speed Champions Back to the Future set. The set comes with both Doc and Marty, and the car can even be built into the alternative hover mode like we got to see in the second movie. There are a few other cool features, so make sure to stick around to the end of the video. That being said, let's start building.
Yo.